I got 2 freshies, okay? 2 freshies. This BeastPants is pretty dusted, dude. It's pretty dusted, dog. Dusty. But the trucks are live. These are dynamic trucks. The trucks are good, but the board, I'm gonna set it up, dude. Ooh. BeastPants with the cigarette. It's like a cigarette butt graphic. And then we have this one. It's like they're in a theater, a 3D theater or something. The Red Beast. Okay. And they look pretty cool. This is the Feral. I usually skate rabbits. From BeastPants, it's really all I skate. Oh, update. Ooh. I'm gonna do a giveaway with this board right here. That's a good thing. This board is gonna go to 1 lucky viewer / subscriber / follower / homie / A1 from day 1. My homie G Dog. Yeah, you get the point. PUBG Mobile, Mike ain't trippy. Supposed to be Mike ain't tripping, but Mike ain't tripping without the N. And that's where I'll be on PUBG. PUBG Mobile. It's way more mobile, dude. You can play it anywhere. Anywhere. So that's why I like playing it. Be waiting in line, playing PUBG. Be at the DMV playing PUBG. At the doctor's office playing PUBG. What else? Getting your car washed playing PUBG. Updates on giveaway coming soon. All right. Updates on giveaway coming soon. Okay, BeastPants. This is the Feral. I don't know if you can see the difference. BeastPants, let me take this off, dude. This is BeastPants. See, I'm struggling to hold that up. That's BeastPants, Black Velvet. BeastPants, Black Velvet. Okay, I don't know, but I'm gonna use Black Velvet. And this is on the inside of the BeastPants. BeastPants fingerboards are finally crafted by hand in Los Angeles, California. All BeastPants decks feature limited original artwork by Chris Dunlop and are imbued with elvish magic. The f am I reading? Feral's responsive with excellent control. Let's get it. Now remember, I had Rabbit. I had a couple Rabbit decks before I got this Feral right here, boy. So I said, hold up. So I said, the wheels. I gotta get some more wheels. The wheels that I'm using, abstract, baby. Yes, abstract wheels. This is my 2nd pair. They don't really get small as, they don't wear as quick as the other wheels. And I think they're urethane. If not, correct me. Abstract wheels, I don't know. But, go get a pair. They're only like 30 bucks. And they're excellent. So, I'm gonna get started on this. I think I'm gonna do the screws after I lay the grip. Because I really like seeing where those screws were. You know, telling them where they were. So I'm gonna lay the grip right quick. I guess the B up here is gonna be where the nose is. So I'm gonna rock with that. I gotta remember this is the Feral shape, not the Rabbit. I don't like that. Oh, because my trucks are tight as hell. I have a 34mm deck. Okay, 34mm deck. I have a 34mm red base plate and gold hanger dynamic trucks. Okay, I have Redemption, you call them Redemption abstract wheels, Black Velvet for the grip. I got dynamic bushings in there. I haven't switched out the bushings. That's another thing. I had a couple pairs of Black River trucks, and I was going through bushings really quick. But with these dynamic trucks, I haven't had to change the bushings. They're a little bit lighter than the Black River trucks. A little bit lighter. I don't have to change the bushings as much. I haven't changed the bushings at all, and I've had it for at least 2-3 months. God damn, boy! I look good. Oh, I look good. Boy. Look at that. Looks fresh, huh? I like that off-white. Shout out Chino, gave me the off-white hat. Yes, sir. I can get closer. Yes. Oh, that looks beautiful. Yeah, it's beautiful. I got some stuff on my wheels because I've been skating. But look at this, dude. This looks good. It looks real good. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. It does have a different feel than the Pharaoh. Oh, my trucks are loose as crap. That's why. Why ain't y'all say it? They I'm tripping, bro. Totally have a different feel. Cool, right? They're clean. Yeah. So it's just tape that I've taped on the bottom of this, and it's little like, yeah, you've seen these things before. Yep. And boom. Those are good. Where's that tape at? I could use it some more because, oh, here we go. Do the other side. Like so. Yes. Yes. Be careful, because I've lifted up the tape and messed it up so many times. Be careful, be careful. Ooh, butter. Butter. I'm gonna shut up, get a little session in.
Let's go.
Ooh, bird. I'm taking it. Oh. Oh. 3 times? Oh, I'm taking it.
Let's go.